Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how we can describe scenario in English. Let's start describing the scenario. So here in the picture we see it's early morning. The sun is rising slowly. The park looks beautiful and peaceful. A man is walking on the path. He is wearing a blue t-shirt and black pants. Birds are flying in the sky. A few children are playing on the grass. An old couple is sitting on a bench and talking. There are green trees and colorful flowers all around. The air feels fresh and the man looks happy while walking. So let's describe the next picture. It's morning time. A man is standing at a small tea stall. He's smiling and giving money to the tea seller. The tea seller is an old man with a towel on his shoulder. He's pouring hot tea from a kettle. There are jars of biscuits and snacks on the counter. Some people are sitting and talking in the background. The sun is shining and steam is rising from the tea. Everyone looks happy and relaxed. Now, this is the picture of a market. Let's describe the picture. It's a busy morning in the market. A man is buying apples from a fruit seller. The seller is smiling and talking while showing the fruits. There are baskets of apples, mangoes and bananas hanging above. Other people are also shopping for vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers and cauliflowers. Women in colorful saris are looking at stalls. The market is full of noise, colors and fresh food. Everyone is busy buying and selling. Now let's describe this picture. This is the picture of a library. The image shows a man studying quietly at a wooden table in a warm, peaceful library. He is writing in a book with a pencil, holding a pencil in his other hand. A coffee cup, a few books, and eyeglasses rest on the table beside him. Behind him, other students are reading and working on laptops under soft light from green shaded lamps. The shelves are full of books and the atmosphere feels calm and focused, ideal for learning. Thank you very much everyone. If you like the video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's meet on the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye. And keep learning English.